Just a little casual Friday here on my channel. Towel all day long. I just blew out my hair. I like tried to do a proper blow dry and I feel like the results were terrible. I'm just trying to like give my hair a beat. Oh, guys, I have a ghost in my bathroom. I'm trying to give my hair a little bit of a beat because it's starting to feel like super dry, and I've been using my waver like all the time and I'm obsessed with this thing. But I will say, besides the fact that I feel like my hair is getting a little bit dry from it, I can't not burn myself. I don't know what it is. Maybe this thing is just like too thick and so it's like banging and bonging all over the place. Or it only has 2 settings in terms of heat. And I'll leave the link below for this, and you should just mermaid hair at your own risk because it is brilliant. And I do feel like I love the way my hair looks with this, but I mean, I'm always hurting myself. So I'm just gonna let that sit for the moment. Really was hoping for a better blowout, but maybe it'll fall and look less like a soccer mom. Just gonna do a little makeup on camera and then try on some clothes with ya. This is like my first full week of Vlogmas, and I'm really enjoying the process. I'm getting my little routine down and it's fun. I know that my views are low, but to be honest, I don't even really care because the people that are around are just so lovely, and also like, I don't know, I just feel proud of myself. Kind of maybe lame, and I'm sure people are making fun of me, but I don't care. There's so many things in my house that are falling apart that I'm just like ignoring because A, I'm too lazy to fix them myself, or B, I don't want to pay for someone to fix them, so I'm just letting it all fall apart, which is terrible homeowning. You should definitely get on top of this stuff so it doesn't all pile up. But like, these are broken, they need to come off, and their tops need to be tightened, and I'm just intimidated by doing it. But I might attempt a homeowner's day soon and try to fix things myself. Also, like, literally all of our sinks are clogged. So I'm just gonna do what I have been routinely doing, and I'll leave the link to all this stuff below. I got some of this stuff for my wedding, and I think Ulta was having a sale, and I feel like they're always having a sale, so and I discovered a few good things. I also need to return some stuff. Ulta will take back anything, which is amazing. I don't want to like take advantage of it, but I did buy, I think you guys might have seen, I like did get a powder from there that just simply isn't my color. I can't see anything, it's so dark in here. I went on the other night during like Cyber Monday to try to get some more of this. This is the Bare Minerals loose powder eyeshadow that they like don't make, or at least they don't like sell in stores anymore. And I don't know why they only sell their palettes, probably because they make more money off of them. But I really like these. And the one that I really like has been sold out forever. So, oh, the point of it is there was no swatches on their website. Like, it literally just showed like this. And I thought that was bizarre because I know from experience that it looks very different on than it does in the pot. So I like tried to Google swatches for them, but came up pretty short. Leave it to me to pick the least popular eyeshadow to want and need. So I'm curious to know, it's really hard to do my eyebrows in the viewfinder, what other Vlogmases you're watching, and also what kind of content that you're looking for or enjoying in terms of Vlogmas. Like, I feel like for the most part I've been doing just like these random daily vlogs. Yesterday I did a shop with me, which I really enjoyed doing. Do you guys like more of like the daily type stuff where it's just kind of random, or do you want a fully thought out video? Someone requested like a vegan gluten-free baking video, and I'm a terrible baker, but I did think that would be kind of fun. I actually like went down a rabbit hole and started watching like a bunch of old drunk kitchens, and I was like, oh, I should do one of these just to pay homage to her brilliant franchise. So let me know if you want to see that. Don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner today because my eyes have been so watery lately. pretty much the same routine that I've been doing for a while, but I'll put like sort of the holy grail of my makeup favorites below in the descriptions if you want to check it out. This mascara is the actual best. I've tried a lot of mascaras in my time. Spent a lot of money on fake eyelashes. And this, I will never get old of promoting on my channel because it really is so good. And I feel like it stays on pretty well. I got the waterproof one, but I don't even use the waterproof one, or don't need to use the waterproof one. I mean, come on. I feel like the lighting is weird in here and this isn't doing justice for how fabulous I look. You look great. The new items that I have been literally obsessed with and I'm going to be repurchasing, I got this as a, I've talked about this before, I got this as a sample, Kajir West, and it's a cream blush, and I've never really used a cream blush. I always found it to be a little intimidating, but I don't know if it's this particular color. Actually, I need to look up what color this is. Or this brand, or just the combination of both, but I just put a little, it looks like I'm a clown in this viewfinder with this lighting, but I swear, I just put a little bit of this on and blend it in, and it'll kind of set in a second. It looks horrendous in here, but go with me on this. Check me out in like 10 minutes, get back to me. And then I've been doing this, I think this is, oh, Benefit. It's so weird, it doesn't say Benefit on this one. I got it this one time in peach and I didn't like the peach, but this is like their pink quartz, which is a little bit more of a neutral chapstick, and it is a lip moisturizer with a little bit of a tint, and I feel like it is the actual perfect lip product for me because I don't like to wear super lip. But I did also get this, it's the Play Tint from Benefit. And I've noticed if I just put a little bit on, you could also put it on your cheeks, so if I do wear a little bit of it, it keeps this going for longer. So there you go. Terrible lighting. Wonderful makeup application. Let's get dressed. Now I'm just laughing at myself as I keep moving my camera around trying to find better lighting, and I'm thinking maybe it's not the lighting, maybe it was the application and or just my face. I actually think I'm just thrown off by this hairdo. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys remember, I tried out a subscription box specifically for petite short gals, and it was called A Short Story, and I was genuinely impressed by their product, and they were so kind and just sent me another one for fun, with no obligation to promote or anything of that sort. But I decided, why not do it with you guys, because I do everything with you now. First of all, I am wearing pajamas with tags on it because I just got this from Gap. They were having a super sale and I just wanted to check it out before I wash it. And I really like it. Anyways, a little bit about this brand in case you didn't know, allow me. They're the first personal styling service focused exclusively on petite women's fashion. Their team is led by women. They serve women who are 5'4" and under, sizes 00 petite through 18 petite. And they have a variety of different brands and also exclusive labels created and designed for them. I failed to mention last time how it works financially with them, and so I had them clarify, since to be honest I didn't even know. So basically there's a $25 styling fee for each box, but this will get credited back to you if you decide to keep anything in the box, and then from there on you basically just pay for what you want to keep. So when you go in and do your like style thing and you put in your sizes and your preferences, you can actually like put a limit on how much you want the items to cost. I think it's probably in like little categories, like between this much and this much, this much and this much, so on and so forth. And then once you get it, you decide if you're going to keep it or not. So it's kind of like up to you in terms of how much you keep, how much you spend, so on and so forth. I'll ask them for a promo code or a discount or something, so I'll leave the links below if you want to check it out. Anyways, let's just unbox. So it comes with a little manual, and then yeah, here it is on the back. It tells you what's in there, what sizes they are, and how much they retail for, so that you can decide if you want to keep them or not. And then they give you a return bag, so it's really, really easy. Stylishly petite. Honestly, I'm so grateful. Everything on me is too long, even pajamas, so this is fun. many good looking items in here that I'm just gonna go ahead and pull on, but they also sent me an extra item, which I do know what it is. It's a holiday dress, and I very specifically was, oh no, oh my God, they're so nice. This is not what I thought it was. This is the holiday dress that I just showed you and we'll try and I'm very excited about. But they sent me the 2 items that didn't fit from last time. I told them they didn't need to do that. I was just going to donate it, and instead they did replace it with 2 proper sizes for me. That is so nice. I will leave the link above right now so you can see the 2 items, because I won't try them on right now, but it's a pair of jeans and a wrap shirt, and that's just, wow, this company is very thoughtful. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the clothes. Let's do it. I'm putting you here today instead of in my closet because my closet is an actual mess right now. Okay, here is the first item. This is the printed satin dress. The brand is NLT. The color is a black animal, and this is a small, fits like an extra small for $58. And I think I'm in love with her. Let me tell you, when they contacted me about this dress in particular, I was like, yes, I want one of those because I feel like short girls never get to wear slip dresses. They're always way too big or way too long, and this is perfect. It's so slimming and flattering in here, and I feel like with boots, even a hat, what do you guys think? Cute jacket. Yeah, this is fun. Oh my God, I'm serious. I've never gotten to get a slip dress because they just don't fit short girls. Cute, love her. I like the little dip here. This is great. I love the animal pattern. Yes, she's a keeper. Moving on. Now this is what I'm talking about when it comes to petite clothes. This is why I'm so excited about this company. This is a perfect fit for me and a perfect outfit, and most likely what I will be wearing today and all season long. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, this is so cute. Let me put the hat on. I feel like the hat's doing it for me with this hair day flip on. Okay, maybe that's overkill. Some quick information here. This top is the Olivia fitted ribbed cardigan. The brand is Dreamers in a red rust. This is the extra small petite, and it's $58, and it's stretchy and wonderful, and I like the ribbing, and I think it's super flattering, and maybe I could have sized up. Nah, it'll stretch. I love it, I love her, and these jeans fit like a glove. The length of them is perfect. My jean pants are never the right length. These literally are perfect. They're called Stress Straight Leg. They're from Just USA. The color is medium, and they are a 0, and they're $68. So I think the price range, like, it's kind of equivalent of a brass plum or BP. I'm curious if I referred to that last time. I feel like I did. Where it's like, you know, you're getting high quality stuff, so the price is going to be a little bit higher, but it's not out of control. Like, everything here is in the 58 to 68 range, and I think the quality is 100% worth it, also considering the fact that I don't have to get anything hemmed. So this is a perfect outfit, perfect jeans. I feel like I'm really coming up today. Let's keep going. Okay, I just went on a journey with this shirt and my feelings about it. At first when I picked it out, I was like, oh, that's just like gonna be like kind of like a, you know, regular tee, cool, great, okay. Then I put it on and realized that it had these little like puffy, very smally puffed. This is very in-depth analysis. It has this very like feminine shoulder situation happening, and I just feel like that amps up the shirt significantly. It quickly went from like what it would have been like a Target t-shirt to a little stylish flare. I love it. So here it is, love the print. I did a little tuck, but again, the good thing about the subscription box is that they specifically find shirts for short people. So in theory, it doesn't have to be tucked in. It's the right proportions, but I always like a little tuck. Still wearing these jeans and never plan on taking them off. Let's read about the shirt, shall we? I'm talking so fast. This is the Leah Knit puff sleeve top. Puff sleeve, puff, puff, puff sleeved. The brand is Petite Assembly. It's the white and navy dot. Oh, it's navy? So glad that I read that. This is an extra, extra small petite, $58. It's perfect. I think this is the outfit I'm wearing today for sure. Because it's still like hot in LA, which is sort of alarming. Okay, I have one more piece to try on. Let's do this. I love you, Schwartz story. Don't ever stop sending me stuff. Ooh, it's a bodysuit. Well, this is everything I ever wanted and needed in a bodysuit. Not exaggerating. Not even sponsored. Here she is. Yes, 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 yes. This is so sexy and so comfortable and so cute. I am not wearing the right bra for it. So it's a little bit loose in here, but I feel if I'm wearing an actual bra, it will look so much better. The irony is I did a video for a brand that I wanted the black bodysuit to work really bad, and I tried so hard to make it work, but it simply didn't. And so ever since then, I've been sort of like itching for one, and this is the perfect one. Kind of look like I'm wearing a leotard, and I'm not mad about it. This is the Penelope bodysuit. Brand is Petite Principle. It is in an extra small, and it is $58, and I think that's worth all of it. Oh, here, I have a referral link. I'll leave it below. You got $25 off your next box. So basically, they waive that fee, the style fee. So yeah, check it out. I'm going to put this back on and get the rest of my day going. But truly, y'all made my day. I gave in and crimped my hair. Oh, hello, Mom. Say hi to the internet. Cheers. Just came to hang out at Mom's so Corin could play in the backyard for a little bit, help her out with some paperwork for my grandma, and, you know, wear my new shirt. Billy. Hi, Bubba. I like to just sit out here. It's so nice and quiet. Just sort of zone out. Hi. Just got home. I got this huge package, and I feel like it's a plant or a tree, but I did not order one that I can remember. So shall we open it? What is this? It's a rubber plant. Who sent me a rubber plant? I'm like panicking in excitement. I'm gonna cry. My therapist sent me a plant, motherfucker. Does this mean I have to pay my bill for her? I'm absolutely shocked and stunned and overwhelmed. She sent a plant in honor of our wedding as a wedding gift, and I am absolutely overwhelmed. I also have a therapy session tomorrow, so great timing. I love rubber plants. They're really easy to deal with. This is amazing. Get yourself a therapist who sends you plants in the mail. It only cost me 6 years of sadness and therapy bills.
I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. And I appreciate you sharing everything with me. Don't forget to brush your teeth, floss, and have a beautiful dream. See you tomorrow. No, don't see you tomorrow. See you Monday. Oh my God, today's good Vlogmas week 1. I'm awesome. You're awesome. See you Monday.